How you felt about this? We all conversation we did. What you felt?
So I felt like I am totally over the moon these days because if I am talking about the previous days, I was very weak in speaking English, but now I felt that in the nick of time I learned how to speak in English, and
Yeah,
totally I am.
I also saw your status in which you mentioned right now I'm over the moon. So you are
Yeah,
using these type of
yeah,
idioms in your
yeah,
daily
yeah.
life. That's the best thing which we can gain from.
Yeah, so that's why I am saying that I am totally I'm very happy, and I'm looking forward to be with you, so can I improve my English in a more far.
How you felt?
So
Good.
I am feeling so well. I mean, this class provide me a good environment in which I can speak English, I can learn new words. So
Hansi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm so good. Tell me something about yourself.
My name is Bhavna Janjan and I am a qualified chartered accountant. Currently, I am working in Deloitte USI. Apart from that, if I am talking about my personal life, so I really fond of painting, I really fond of dancing and watching Korean series.
Okay. So you are working on your English.
Yeah.
So these days, I guess we take around 15 to 16 days. So let's start a quick demo of our preparation, how we prepare or how we prepare. Okay.
Okay.
I'll give you some topics.
Okay. Okay.
On that, you will have to share your views on your opinions.
Okay.
Okay, start. Tell me something about last mistake which you had,
Okay.
on
So
which you feel so regret that I can't. So how can I do this?
yeah, so it was about a fight between me and my mother. So yeah, she was saying a good, like she was I thought that she is against me, but in reality she was in favor of me. But I considered him wrong, and I started yelling at her, so that in my point of view it was my mistake. Yeah.
Okay, tell me something about movies. As you mentioned, you like to watch Korean movies, right?
Korean movies. Yeah.
Tell me something about Korean movies, as I don't know about it much.
So, as a matter of fact, Korean movies are far better. According to me, like in my opinion, Korean movies are far better than Bollywood movie.
Yeah, it's your opinion.
it's my opinion. It's my thinking. And the best part in those movies are they are having the reality. They are having their skills. They are having reality, and their skills are tremendous. Like no one can compare. At least India can't compare with Korean series, and moreover than moreover than one reason I really fond of Korean series, that they always makes me so fond of Korean series, that they always makes me so they are so charming. So
Okay.
yeah.
Tell me something about languages. What type of languages are prevalent in our city, in our country? What type of languages are famous in our country?
So more or less every language is famous in our country. Depend on in which region we live. For example, if I am talking about Punjab, so the Punjabi language is very popular in Punjab. And if I am talking about Kerala, so Malayalam is famous in Kerala.
Okay, what is the best foreign language? Which is the best foreign language for our country?
For our country, so of course it's English.
English language.
Yeah,
Okay.
because it's commonly speak in our country as well.
Okay, tell me something about social websites.
Social websites.
It's
So
not social applications, social websites. What are social websites?
there are so many social websites like Twitter, or there are so many social websites like Twitter or Instagram, and these are like I mean, if I'm talking about the use of these social media, or I can say social websites, they tell us
Make your eye contact. Try to make your eye
yeah.
contact.
Actually, if I am not mistaken, today's social website has replaced the newspaper. Like everything everything you are gaining from here, you are taking from newspaper. It can be also on social website like Twitter, Twitter, social or Instagram. Like as example, if I am talking about myself, so I'm very I'm very netizen I am very netizen to social media, for example, Instagram.
Okay. Tell me something about magazines. Does magazine follow us or does magazine helps us?
Yeah, of course, magazine are something which provide a lot of information and a lot of information, and we will get to know what is happening in our society, what is happening in our country, and more or less, moreover, then magazines are providing a lot of other like cooking recipes.
Topics on those two topics, you have to choose one and give your opinions on that.
Okay.
Okay. Yoga or meditation?
Of course, meditation, because meditation is something which makes you more concentrate, which increase your concentration powers.
Online classes or offline classes?
Okay, so it depends. Online classes are too good, but I guess offline classes are far better than online classes.
Okay. Books versus e-books.
Books, of course, books versus ebook. Of course, books, because books are like it's so it totally like books are very useful and it doesn't harm our eyes.
Okay. Furniture made of plastic and wood. Which is best?
Furniture made of wood, because it remains long laster.
Okay. Plastic. What type of plastics are there in our country?
So, so there are so many type of plastic in our country, like hard plastic, or we can say hard plastic, or no- okay. So to be honest, I am not much aware of
Don't
that
worry, don't
kind of plastic.
Yes. No. Tell me something about do you like to cut the trees or not?
Of course, we should not cut the trees, because it represents our environment, and if we harm environment, it will come back to us.
So okay, how will be the furniture made if we don't cut the if we don't cut the trees? Furniture is totally made up of woods and woods to come from the trees.
So yeah, but see, everything must be has a limit. So if we do something more than limit, so of course we will get a down and out. We will definitely face a down and out situation.
So I guess we should plant more and more trees if we cut the trees.
Yeah. There should be a balance. If we are cutting the tree, then we also plant more and more
trees. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me something about flags. What type of flags are there? What flag represent?
So basically, if I am talking about India's flag represent our India, our country. So, and of course, there are so many other flags which represent their own country. For example, US has its own flag, UK has its own. So basically, flags are something which represent our culture, which represent where we live.
Okay. Tell me something about Amazon shopping app.
Okay, so Amazon is one of the online shopping app, on which we can purchase anything from anywhere at any time.
Okay. Last but not the least, tell me something about the discipline which we are following in our class.
So discipline are something which makes our more professional, which makes our personality in a very good way, and we always follow our what our teacher are saying to us. So it's a kind of a habit we should always, not in our childhood days, but in our entire life we should always.
And what about our classes? What about our classes? The discipline followed in our classes, English classes. Is there a discipline or not?
Of course, there is a discipline. There is no language. There is no definition of discipline. If you are talking with your teacher in a kind way, and don't make any fun of and do not make any fun of the entire class, of course, it should also be
So there is no
discipline.
hard and fast rules of any discipline. Yes.
Yeah, in my opinion, there should be no hard and fast rule of discipline. Like if you respect your elders, if you respect your colleagues, your peers, so it can also be a discipline.
Okay.
More or less, it can be a discipline.
How you felt about this? We all conversation we did. What you felt?
So I felt like I am totally over the moon these days, because if I am talking about the previous days, I was very weak in speaking English, but now I felt that in the nick of time I learned how to speak in English, and totally
Yeah,
I am.
I also saw your status in which you mentioned right now I'm over the moon. So you
Yeah,
are using these type of
yeah,
idioms in
yeah,
your daily life.
yeah.
That's the best thing which we can gain from it.
Yeah, so that's why I am saying that I am totally I'm very happy, and I'm looking forward to be with you, so can I improve my English in a more far I'm far better way.
Okay, so tell me or tell our audience how you felt.
So
Good.
I am feeling so well. I mean, this class provide me a good environment in which I can speak English, I can learn new words. So
Okay, thank you so much.